I thought you stood back there. Okay, folks, it's $2 to get in here. So we pay our $2. And what we got? Senior Center. Cedar.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Pretty good at you. I'm messing with him because he's a senior finally.
No, not yet.
So what is this about? About the center?
Can I record it? Sorry, I'm done.
I'm on social media all the time.
Okay.
You are?
Yeah.
Eat it, right? Because my dogs like to eat grass.
I install turf in pet parks, hospitals, and stuff like that. And it's never an issue, you know, as long as the process is.
Kids are having fun, people. You ready to walk?
This is where I would be if I got a booth.
Oh, yeah.
In this section right here.
The joint.
And I'd be selling my books, but nobody would be buying.
Chiropractor. Right? This is a chiropractor. I need that. Yeah? How about?
Huh?
I need that. 19. My lower back look like on the side, maybe.
Your hips, you may have one leg shorter than the other one.
Could be.
So, I'm one of the doctors there. My name's Dr. Rowe. I've been doing it about 22 years.
Come on, Fontana. I want to see you go around a little bit. Here we go.
We are leaving. Just about an hour or so. And, you know.
What's your step, Joel? Huh?
No, I said we worked about an hour or so, and it's pretty good. And we have a nice time. And so me and my baby came back. Oh yeah.
I didn't know that thing could bend like that.
You better to suit you.
I'm right behind you, babe.
Huh?
I'm right behind you.
Okay. It's pretty bright out here anyway, so you can see. I got her walking behind me. How about it? I got you walking behind me, huh? Oh, yeah.
That's Pamela. Ex-mayor's wife is a sponsor.
Is she?
Yeah, Pamela. She's going by her name Anderson. She's not going by her name.
They divorced or something?
The man dead.
Oh, excuse me.
Don't the man eat up the man?
Oh. Hey, don't be saying these guys. The police.
Police got them suckers over there.
Where they at? Yeah, already got them. So we're on our way back home. As you can see. Hello, people. Folks to the way here at a friend's birthday party, pool party. It's a pretty nice little area. And over there, I'll go swimming if I want to, but I go faster than that. And here's where the party's going over here. So everybody's sitting and having a good time, and you can see the whole thing. And that's the man of the party. And we're here with see, we got a basketball court over here.
That's what I would usually
Come over here and play basketball and relax over here and stuff and have a good time. It's pretty nice over here. It's some big apartment complex. They got some new one coming up over there. And if you look right here, it's all over here, straight down in the back there. See? All good. Yep. This is the lady of the day. Huh?
So you got something to eat?
Yeah, I already got something.
You got something to drink?
Yeah, I did. All right.
Before I go home too.
All right. Folks, this is our kid is where you come and relax. I guess this is a fire pit. And folks over there relaxing. And you come to a party, sit here like this. Good time. It's pretty nice over here. They're building a whole lot of apartments and stuff back here. It's a new site, and it looks pretty nice. Yeah, all these over here is apartments. Go back there. We got a barbecue stall there. You got one over there. Kind of relax out, have some barbecue and a couple of beers. And you have another one here. And it's nice. It's really nice.
So as a part of this Monday activity, Joe is going to change out this plug because all the holes in it are really loose and you can't plug anything in. But he went outside and he shut off every switch except this one.
The box, all the box have no.
It needs to be labeled, yeah.
The box is
That's dangerous.
get somebody to change out the whole thing and put some new one in there.
Ask Mikey.
Huh?
Jada's friend Mikey, he does electricity.
Yeah,
See what his fee would be.
It just gives me baby names.
Along with it being Father's
Josh is
Day,
34?
Father's Day, right, Josh?
Yeah.
It's also Joshua's birthday.
75.
He's 75.
And we don't have the correct candles, so we're going to put what we
I
want to
look
put.
good though, right? For 75?
He looks great.
Darn good. It's that good black don't crack.
Yep. Don't do drugs and you're fine.
Got a little white hair for 75, I don't know.
Just a little bit. Don't let.
Let's see right here.
Hang on.
There, I got it.
Dude, you look great for 75.
Thank you.
Wow.
You want to turn off the fan?
No, we got it. Fucking Jada. So I'll light it on fire. I'll figure it out.
She is a firebender. She knows what she's doing.
You already do that by
It's lit.
yourself.
It's
All right, Jada, lead the way.
lit. Don't breathe too hard. Don't breathe too hard. Yeah.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, dear Joshua.
75.
Happy
birthday to you.
It's melting.
It's okay. You're melting.
What? Josh is still melting.
Why did you think you were
Why do you wind up your blow?
for real? Like,
I was making a wish. I wish you blow faster.
God.
Nigga can't even wish no more.
He was rushing the whole way. And then
There's a big plate there. Use a big plate.
It'll solidify and you can just
Yeah,
turn it
that's what
off.
I'm waiting for.
Let me sing how old are you now?
Doesn't
It
matter.
was melting. You want to know how old are you? He's
Oh.
75.
That's solidified
I told you,
twist.
Excuse me, that's my plate for my photo shoot.
I miss your head.
All right, so you want to do the piece for you right now?
Huh?
You want to do the piece for you?
Look at your piece.
All right, so
I like playing with candles.
If I do math,
I know you do. I've seen you.
That's not math.
that's geometry, man. This is like a shape. This is a triangle. Yeah, math's hard. Don't worry,
You
Mabel.
said what?
Math? What's math?
It was a summer school for that. Leave her alone.
Are you?
I can
You're gonna
relate.
eat that big
I've been in
piece?
summer school for
Is that
that.
big? That's pretty small for me.
I guess it's your. Wait. I guess it's your.
And look,
birthday.
all you gotta know,
That's small for me.
square foot and money, okay?
Money.
If you want to know how big your house is, you want to count your
And
money. So
percentage.
That's
You need to
true.
know percentage.
A
to know how much
percentage,
Yeah.
yeah.
percentage you
Yeah.
get.
Percentage
true.
is hard.